Here's a quick review of my trade on AMC. Here's what I was thinking. I think Tyler was thinking a similar thing. We were a little more short bias before the open. If you look on this 15-minute chart, yeah, you do see a bit of a of an ascending, higher lows going on here, but you also have some lower highs if you count here and here. So price was pretty much compressing here, and I think we were banking on yesterday's high right here, 60 bucks, this area, or pre-market high, sort of being a resistance for a potential short entry. And so I was a little bit more biased on that, and that's what ended up happening, and I'll show you what I saw that made me like that. So here's the tape, and price opened up. So right now what I was saying was that 60 bucks area was a potential short. But this was also pre-market high up here, so I sort of used this as a potential area to short as well for an opening drive play maybe. So right before the open, price does drop, which is kind of a good signal. So there's your opening price all the way down at 57 bucks. And then it moves up super fast all the way up to pre-market high. And I'm thinking that it's extended when it does move all the way up. So I'm going to fast forward here. So if you notice here, yeah, in 1 minute it's moved, $1.50. And then as it nears pre-market high, you'll see some really big offers show up here. Right there, I'll pause it, right at 59 bucks. And it gets bigger as it gets closer. And you'll notice that these offers, they barely get filled. They'll show up, and some of them will get filled, but then price will immediately get under 59. So it doesn't even hit 59.01, I don't think. And so that's when I played the probabilities of shorting in front of, or after they get hit a little bit, and then shorting in front of the reverse. So right here you can see them getting bigger. Okay, so right there, a lot of them do get hit on the ask, and it looks like, well, this is kind of messed up, but it looks like the bid and the ask are both at 59.03, but it's really fast, and it gets right underneath. So right there, I'll pause it again. You can see immediately it's at 58.89. So it was above 59 for literally seconds, and there was absolutely no continuation, no more big orders, etc. So at least short term right now, 59 is definitely resistance. And so then I do short right there, with the stop loss, I guess, generally above 59.10. So I guess that's about 25 cents. And yeah, as soon as it started dropping here, like look at that, as soon as it dropped like that, I was really happy with what I saw up here because I felt like that was confirmed. And then price does come all the way back down to 58, and then you see these big offers come in, which was interesting. Which then maybe those offers push it up a little bit, I guess. I partialed a little bit. I got a little scared. I kind of wish I wouldn't have done that, but because I was really confident when it was down here. So then price keeps going down, and so it keeps hitting 58, and then 58 looks like it might fail. 58 is kind of like VWAP as well. So this area is sort of supporting, and then you can see it hitting it pretty hard down. It's struggling a little bit to get down though. It's not going down near as fast as it like flushed up, So there is a lot of volume and stuff in here. I partialed at a daily level there. And I think my overall goal was like 57 bucks. I really had no idea how far I'd go down, and this is an opening drive play, so I wasn't like super confident. So I was thinking if I could hold the majority of my shares for 57. Another thing I noticed was, oh, here, let me back up. So real quick, this 57.50 was good support. You know, price kept wicking down to it, right? And so I liked that as a level. So I looked at that level as if that breaks, you know, you could potentially add, or, you know, it's going to make another leg down. And it does it here, I believe. And let's see what it does on the tape. So that was really fast. So 57 huge orders came in, and then it almost overshot it and went all the way down to 56.15, which was pretty cool. So right here, huge orders 57, it flushed through super fast there, but it flushed through so fast that it went all the way down to 56.20, and but then you don't see many more orders coming in after that. So that's maybe a signal that, you know, it doesn't want to go much further than 56.20 for right now. I was using small shares, but that was like a larger chunk, I guess, of my shares there. No, I guess it was only 20%. Okay, so thanks, guys. And if you want to talk more about this trade or this tape or anything, let me know.